Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today gonna do very simple ninja cake. So here I have cake already ready, it's iced, it's 10-inch round, so it's a large cake and it sits on 12-inch round board. And we just gonna do fondant face and fondant draping. All right, so here's I have ivory color fondant and I'm gonna make a face out of it. I already did some kind of template, so make sure I have right size and shape that I need, and I'm just simply gonna cut out using X-Acto knife the face part. All right, and then I'm gonna do out of black fondant the face features on it, the eyes, the brows, and I'm gonna do a little bit outline, also create kind of like a face mask. And then I'm gonna use large black fondant pieces to drape it over the cake, and then I'm gonna show you my final results. So let's do it. All right, and so this is our final cake. I made the bottom part of it on purpose a little uneven, so it looks more like a fabric. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, love you so much.